This sparkling espresso citrus drink will change your coffee game. Must-try recipe. Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're creating a refreshing and bold Espresso Plus sparkling water citrus spritz, a fizzy, zesty twist on your classic coffee. This drink combines rich espresso with bright citrus and sparkling water for the ultimate energizing refresher. Perfect for warm days or when you want something unique and uplifting. Let's mix up this bubbly coffee creation together. Ingredients: 1 shot freshly brewed espresso or strong coffee, 1/2 cup sparkling water, 1-2 tablespoons fresh orange juice, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1-2 teaspoons simple syrup optional, ice cubes, orange slice or lemon twist. Directions: start by filling a tall glass with ice cubes to keep your drink perfectly chilled. Pour the sparkling water over the ice, followed by the fresh orange juice and lemon juice. Stir gently to combine the citrus flavors. Next, slowly pour the freshly brewed espresso over the mixture. For a layered look, pour it over the back of a spoon so it floats beautifully on top. Add simple syrup if you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, and give it a light stir before drinking. Finish with a slice of orange or a twist of lemon for a bright, aromatic garnish. The result is a fizzy, slightly tangy, and bold coffee drink with a refreshing citrus kick, perfect for sipping on a sunny day. Thank you so much for watching, coffee lovers. I hope you enjoyed this refreshing espresso citrus spritz. It's bold, bubbly, and perfect for something different. If you try this recipe, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative coffee drinks. I'll see you in the next delicious and energizing video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.